So the other key difference between pairs listening and working in rounds is appreciation. Appreciation is a really key part of this work. It's really important to what we're doing, and it often occurs most profoundly in the pairs listening. So after people have worked in pairs where one person speaks and one person listens, and then you switch over and the other person speaks and the other person listens, you always do a little round of appreciation between them. It's not timed, but you just have a sense of keeping it reasonably efficient, but allowing people a little bit of time, just a moment or two, to really appreciate each other. And the recommended structure, what I'd recommend, is to offer them the kind of sentence starter of, what I appreciate about you is ... and then to finish the sentence, and for them to do that with each other. Make sure they both get to speak and listen, just as with the pairs listening. Because even if you've only spent those 3 minutes with someone where you've been listening to them, there will have been something about maybe the way they listened to you, maybe something they said resonated for you, maybe something they said you feel really appreciative of the commitment they show, or the passion or care that they clearly have that came through in the way they speak. So there's always something to appreciate, even from those small amounts of time that we spend in those pairs. And taking that moment for appreciation can make a really big difference. Appreciation is a thread that weaves throughout the compassion circles. You will have noticed, me talking about appreciating people when they arrive, and appreciating the time that they're putting in, and hopefully you have that feel for it throughout the whole thing. And in the pairs is one of the places where appreciation gets really clearly expressed. So inviting people to take a moment to say, what I appreciate about you is your, or what I appreciate about you is, and then ... kind of finish the sentence maybe with a quality or a few words about what they appreciate about each other. And if they know each other from other contexts, they may actually have lots there to appreciate each other for, which may have never been said in any other context. So there's a little bit of initial context about appreciation, specifically how it applies to pairs, and there's a section next where I'm going to be saying a lot more about appreciation and why it's important.